Welcome to this demo of the WigWag Cloud Phone service. Today what I'm just going to do is just demonstrate how easy it is to access your call recordings via the control panel with the system. So once you've actually enrolled to the system, you just need to in effect log in with your details. I've actually got some demo details which I'm just going to log in with. Now once you've logged in, you come up to this dashboard, which not only just shows you a bit about the phone system in operation of day-by-day operation, but down this left-hand side what you've actually got is your various options. And in the reporting section just in here, you've got an option called call recordings. You click on that, in here it will show you in effect your incoming and outgoing calls via the system. And it's as simple as select the call that you want to listen to and click the play symbol. It will then ask you again for the password. You click enter that in and then click OK, and it will in effect download it on the fly, and all you in effect do is click the play button, or alternatively if you want to you can actually download it so it's actually a separate file, and obviously from that you can take it away and do what you need to do with it. Also, what might be worth also noticing in here, you've got something called call history, and that goes into a bit more detail about actually the history of the calls, not only incoming but also outgoing, and it tells you the time and so forth, and also the extension of the person that's made those calls, so it just gives you that bit more information. I hope you find this demo useful, and as I say, if you are interested in looking at this in more detail, then do ask us for a trial or ask us for some more information. Thank you.